What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this is absolutely huge right now that we're seeing XRP make a move finally. Like, I'm so excited to see anything happen with XRP. It's finally seeing some sort of an explosive breakout, and we could see signs of this absolutely making moves going forward. So the fact that we're seeing this, I want to go into where XRP is right now. If we have any type of information behind what we are seeing, going to Twitter and seeing there, or if we're just seeing the fact that XRP is exploding because it deserved to make these moves. It should have already been making these moves this whole entire time. And the fact that now it's finally doing that feels great, especially since I have been accumulating XRP, so much XRP in the last couple of months from 3,000 to now 35,000 that I hold. So I want to go into that. And I also want to go into my assets as we search and realize what's going on. Because I just, figured this out, not by going into my portfolio, but by going over to Twitter and seeing that XRP was trending. As soon as you click onto it, it shows the price and where it stands. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget to check out my Margex if you want to start trading XRP at up to a 50x leverage if you want to. I've been accumulating free XRP pretty much this whole entire time. I've probably gained somewhere around 15,000 XRP total, and that's just extra XRP off of like simple $100 investments. And I haven't lost that initial $100 investment. So I've been continuing to use that and utilize the extra ones that are there. So I've been gaining a lot of XRP with Margex. So feel free to check out my link down there. And if you want some guidance on leverage trading, I have a whole section, a collection in my Patreon where you can, get some information. And you can also reach out to me to see how I made that much XRP during that time period. So anyways, let's look at where XRP stands right now. Currently, the price of XRP is at 72 cents, up 17%. Seeing an increase in volume of 211%, up to 400 or 4.6, almost 4.7 billion dollars worth of volume. The current market cap is sitting at 39.4 billion dollars. Currently still ranked sixth overall, but $39.3 billion has just been amazing to see this level of growth. It's still not at the level that it should be at. It should already be here and should have already started skyrocketing. We should have seen 17% day after day after day as Bitcoin is running, as Ethereum is running, as all of these things are running. XRP stayed the same, and it's because of the uncertainty with the Ripple versus XRP case, or sorry, Ripple versus SEC case. Can't speak because I'm very excited. And with the uncertainty, tells us, hey, what's going to happen with this? And honestly, people just don't know what's going to happen with that. But the fact that we see this is moving makes me feel really, really good, not only about the position, but also about anybody that said XRP wasn't going to move at all and it was going to stay at these prices. So I'm excited to see this level of growth. But if we look at how this has moved in the last day, we can see that this movement has just happened within like the last hour, and how that has picked up to 73 cents, which now it's down to 72.1 cents. And further growth from here would be absolutely amazing. But finally, it's making some movement. Now, I went over and searched up. This is where I initially saw it. XRP was trending, and you saw it was up to 71, 72, whatever the figure was. And I was like, it's great to see it over 60, and to see it over 65 is amazing, and see it over 70, fantastic. So I wanted to see if there was any type of information, a big FU to the haters for XRP, a lot of people that are hating on it. Now squeeze, you son of a $1.20 is coming. Like I said, you troll. Wow. So there's just a lot of people that have, there's people on both sides of the fence, right? People that absolutely hate XRP and people that love XRP. And I'm on the side that loves XRP. I love what it can offer. But then there's also people that are like, no, it's never going to do anything. It's never going to be worth more than 50 cents. And yet it is more than that. And then those same people will say it's never going to be worth $1, never going to be worth $2, never going to get to the levels that we believe in. I understand where you're coming from. You can have whatever thoughts you have. I'll have my positions, you have your positions. I'm not going to tell you that your positions are horrible. I'm going to tell you that I just maybe don't believe in the positions that you have. Or I might have some of the positions that you have. It's just I believe in XRP a little bit more. So much so that in my portfolio, I have 35,000 XRP, 35,000 XRP total that I have in my portfolio, where I'm now, let me go ahead and refresh. I should be up, maybe $1,000 or $2,000, something like that. I should be up a decent amount on this play. Instead of being up 1,000, I'm now up $4,000 on this position. And it's up 17%. So I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the growth, happy where it is. And even if, like I told you, I have XRP over in my Margex, and I'm consistently utilizing XRP. I'm leveraging XRP. You can see I leverage XRP here, 170, and I'm already up $68. I leverage XRP here and here. I'm up $77 there and $598, gaining me free XRP as I'm leverage trading my XRP. And then I have XRP here, which I believe I'm trading Dogecoin up $117. Another XRP play down here, which I leveraged XRP to trade XRP, and I'm currently up $347 on that play as well. So the point is that I truly believe in XRP, and then I even have more XRP that's sitting in my wallet, which has about 3,500 XRP. Like, this is what I mean. I believe in what this will be. I really only want to hold 35,000 XRP, but it all depends, right? If we see that level of movement, absolutely, I will continue to drive more and continue to build more and get to that guaranteed millionaire status, part or level. And I believe at my level and what I do hold, I think that I have that ability to become that XRP millionaire, and I've talked about that in a previous video. So again, the movement in XRP, why this is happening, I really don't have a breakdown as to fully why this is happening, but it's not really a crazy major movement from where we were, right? It was like 65 cents and or 66 or sorry 63 cents or something like that, and has increased up to 73 cents, so up 10 cents. Fantastic. But it's still like not to the level that we all want it to be at, and it's because of that uncertainty with the Ripple versus SEC case that's there. But let me know what you're holding in XRP and where you believe it's going to go. Are you bullish on XRP or are you against XRP? Is this going to completely turn around and it's going to reset itself like it seems like it always does? Let me know your opinion, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to, consistently gain more XRP, Margex is an option. Feel free to check out that link in the description, or check out my Patreon, where I have a lot of Margex videos explaining how to utilize it and the difference between 5x and 100x leverage and all of that stuff that you need to know about leverage trading. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.